Meet the SonoWeld high-performance ultrasonic metal welding system. It's engineered to produce fast, strong, and repeatable spot welds and wire-to-terminal welds. Whether you're working with copper, aluminum, or tinned metals, this system ensures clean, solid-state bonds without heat, current, or consumables. And with advanced automation features and our patented wedge reed system, the SonoWeld system delivers unmatched performance. It stores and recalls more than 250 weld protocols for repeatable accuracy. The wedge reed coupling system combines high vibratory force with low amplitude to produce strong, precise welds. Taper lock tips perform up to 50,000 welds before needing replacement. The system easily integrates into automated assembly lines and works in multiple orientations. 3,500-watt models are available to weld a wide range of non-ferrous metal types and thicknesses, similar to dissimilar, thin to thin, and thin to thick. They can even join oxidized or tinned metals in just one pulse and without pre-cleaning. No other ultrasonic metal welders can do that. SonoWeld welders direct high-frequency ultrasonic energy through a welding tip to the surface between the metals. This energy disperses surface oxides and contaminants, creating a true metallurgical bond without melting the material. The result is stronger, cleaner, and more conductive welds with zero metallurgical defects. The SonoWeld system is trusted in a variety of critical applications. It welds lithium-ion and NiMH battery foils, tabs, and terminals. Ensures low-resistance, high-integrity welds for power distribution, bonds stranded copper wire to brass or copper terminals, and provides ultra-reliable welds in mission-critical applications. Upgrade to SonoWeld performance and transform your metal joining process. Get stronger bonds and faster production with zero consumables.
Sonobond, engineering better bonds.